What's up, everybody? Back here at it again, Sally Investor. It's been a crazy week so far for me. A lot of business going, a lot of things going on. Moving company kind of picking up again, so I'll be out on the road for at least 2 days. 2 days out on the road. However, everything's going great. Everything's on the up and up. So let's talk about the markets. As always, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on TikTok. I post all my buys, shorts, whatever I'm doing, I post on there. I try to give you my morning, what I'm doing in the morning, every morning. And so you like it, subscribe, watch it. Also, subscribe here, check out my videos. I try to do my analysis on why I think I'm going to buy this or why I'm adding it to my portfolio. With that said, I'm not a financial advisor. I am a licensed broker. I just get paid to trade. That's it. Win or lose, I get paid to trade. So we have two different mentalities. You got any questions? Seek out a financial advisor. With that said, I've been working with a friend of mine. We've been bouncing back ideas about what we're buying, and what we've been buying a lot of lately has been Atom, DOT, XRP. I've been buying HBAR, and we've been buying Quant. We've just been stacking on Quant. Our private accounts outside this little test portfolio, my private portfolio that I keep on a Nano Ledger X, which I recommend everybody should get. I think it's the easiest and the most efficient, but you might like the Oculus one too, but get a hard wallet. I mean, we just been stacking. Like, it went up to 31 last week. We sold. We bought back in at like 108, and now we're back up against it. So we're up over. I got about 121 Quant right now, and I think he's got about the same. And we both got like about 400 in Atom each. I got more in DOT than he does. He's got about the same in DOT, but he's been doing it equally. I've been building up on DOT because DOT's just been sitting at 7, so I've been just putting in, and before you knew it, after staking and everything, it's just been going crazy. So with the portfolio, I'm gonna have good news on that project portfolio that we're working on together. As you know, I said we're playing with real money. This isn't stimulus money, so it's over $12,000. So if you think about it, in 6 months, from April to now, we got that portfolio over $12,000. A little bit of arbitrage trading, a little bit of smart investments, a little bit of well-timed dollar cost averaging in, and some of the right holds. It's pulling up. It's pulling up. Now we're getting ready for a bull run. I would say it's a quasi bull run. Now I'm relatively new to crypto, but I've done a lot of research over the last, I'd say 9, almost 10 months. I started like late December. I don't see this being like the bull run that everyone's expecting. I think this is just going to be kind of like a run up, kind of make people happy, kind of make people feel better. Because for me, this is the first time trading and buying crypto in a greed and fear index of 41. I've been in the high 30s, low 40s this whole entire past few weeks. And I think because we got good CPI numbers, we have amazing CPI numbers right now compared to what they were running. And people, since I own a moving company, I can see a lot of the things. I own a moving company that we also do logistics and deliveries and freight runs. So I could tell you right now that the economy's going to be fine. I mean, it's going to be slower, and people who made really bad decisions, such as all those real estate gurus following all that stuff, I'm telling you, that stuff's going to... I wouldn't be surprised if I saw American Greed episode on it. Like, I'm betting American Greed's going to pop up on there with YouTube gurus on this. So that's just my expectation. But we are sitting here now looking at this, and I'm telling you right now, you're going to make a lot of money as long as you exit at October. I'm not even trying to play right up to the election. Exit in October, because what's going to happen is if retail investors are going to start to buy, you start to slowly exit, keep some of your long-term hold, but slowly exit your positions, and you're going to rebuy, except for Quant. Quant, we got lucky. Quant right now has very low exchange amount, so if you sell your Quant, you might not get it back at this coming up. You might not get it back. But like XRP, DOT, Cardano, ETH, all that stuff, you will get that back immediately. Now, what I've been doing is taking my ETH and staking it on BlockFi. I managed to, because I have some family in a different country, so I'm able to register there, so I'm able to use the interest because I'm down here. But we stake the ETH and we get 5%, I believe, 5% back in Bitcoin. So that's what I do. I take the ETH, we stake it over there, and we get that. And I've been buying ETH, low steady purchases since it dropped to 750, but I haven't bought any in a while because I bought some in the beginning of the week. I managed to, because with my businesses, managed to get a good payout for myself, and we're able to buy 10 ETH. So maybe some point I'll try to show you my private portfolio, because like I got it everywhere. I got it in MetaMask. I don't have a lot in MetaMask because it's pretty hackable at this point, but I got some in MetaMask. Some. I do have a huge TD Ameritrade account. I do have a huge with Northwestern Mutual. They're financial advisor. Yes, even me as a broker, I have a financial advisor. They take care of my nest egg that I've been working on for 20 years. So that is 7 figures. I do have my real estate portfolio, and I do have a few other things that I'm investing in, as well as I just started this year investing in Linkco because I got approved for being an accredited investor. So I started investing in those. And on those, I do Uphold and Ripple. That's it. I think it was Ripple had a Class C share back. Had a buyback of shares off of that at $91.50. So you doubled your money. When I bought in February at, I think it was $21 a share, and I bought more at $51. They bought half of what I had, reducing the share but increasing your percentage at a good amount, $91.50. So, and everything going on with Ripple right now is really good. Ripple is trying to become a bank. Got a lot of great things going on. They really want to become the new Swift of the world, which if you're going to have this instantaneous transaction speed, you're going to need that if we're going to grow to, if we're really moving into space, like colonizing Mars and the moon and things like that. You're going to need a system that's faster than Swift. So that's what they're trying to do. I have full belief that we're in the part where we're setting up for the next stage of growth for humanity, and if you invest right now, you will capitalize on it and make a lot of money going forward, even though you may not see the physical changes that happen to the world, but you will make a lot of money in your lifetime. Like, this really is a truly wealth transfer time period, because there's no other way to describe it. Like, this is the biggest time where you can just do something and make a lot of money. I mean, you can get on YouTube, make some money. You can get on TikTok and make some money. You can get on Twitter and make some money. You can start this is the first time, like in my parents' era, you either worked and you saved, and that was kind of it. Like, there wasn't a lot of opportunity for everything. Now you can work, save, invest, grow. I mean, there's a lot of people who aren't really planning on being landlords, but have a couple rental properties just in case. So there's avenues for everything, and especially since trades are needed now. Like, you got trucking right now. Walmart's hiring at $135,000 a year. You do a good job, they'll bump you up to $155,000, I think. I had a few people tell me that they got bumped up, some even up to $180,000. So there's just opportunities in the grunt work of our society that people are overlooking. I mean, make $135,000 a year. That's just about as much as I made as a banker starting. Yeah, I was back in 2000. So I don't know what to tell you guys. There's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of growth. There's a lot of great things going on in the market. XRP is this year, and even if it becomes a security, it's still a good investment because it just means it changes platforms. You go from an uninsured platform to an FDIC insured platform, so you're guaranteed to get your money back if something goes poof up to I think up to 300,000 or something like that. Quant is going to go up. I think if we do on a true bull run, Quant's going to be over 1,000. That's why I'm not buying too much of it. I'm just kind of like buying a little bit right now. But when Quant hits that 10,000, that it's going to hit 10,000 per coin, and it's going to do it within the next 5 years. You're going to wish you had listened to me now and bought some quant. With that said, make sure you just buy at the right time. Pay attention, do your research, stay careful out there. Don't fall for any schemes. Try to avoid the rug pulls. Only risk what you are comfortable losing. With that said, follow, like, subscribe. I'll be back at it again tomorrow. Again, like always, trading's a 24-hour job. I'll talk to you guys later.